Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Creative Learning Hub. This is Faisal Ansari with you. So in today's video we are going to discuss some very interesting and very useful idioms which are related to fruits. So before taking much of your time, let's get started. So the first adjective which we have for you today is the apple of my eye. It means the person who you like a lot more than others. For example, if a woman has 3 children but she likes the youngest one a lot more than others. So in this situation, she can use this idiom that he or she is an apple of my eye. It means she likes that child a lot more than others. Next idiom is go bananas. It means to become very angry, crazy or annoyed. For example, if my mom goes outside and I makes my home very dirty. So in this situation, I can use this idiom that if my mom sees the home in this condition, she will go bananas. It means she will get too much angry. Next idiom is a bite at the cherry. It means a big opportunity to achieve something. For example, if there is a new project comes in a company which is a very big project, management announced that whoever the person working on this project, after it is successful, he or she will get promoted. So in this situation, we can use this idiom that working on this project is a bite at the cherry. It means it's a big opportunity for everyone who is working on this project. Next idiom is not give a fig. It means not to feel interesting in something. For example, if there is a party, everyone is going out there but someone is refusing to go there. For that person, we can use that he does not give a fig. It means he is not interested in a party. Last idiom is apples and oranges. It means to be very different from each other. For example, if we talk about Muslims and Hindus, they both are very different. So for them, we can use this idiom and we can say that Muslims and Hindus are apples and oranges. It means they are very different from each other. I hope you like this lesson. If you have any questions, you may ask in comments. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe this channel for having notifications for every lesson. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you inshallah in next video. Till then, take care. Allah.